You can impress your future customers by having a very well-designed website. A potential customer's online presence can be formed by looking at a website's design and content. This video will discuss a few tips to help you design a website that reflects positively on you and your business. 1. Website should be informative. An informative website is one that is designed along the lines of what your customers will need to use. An informative website needs to be organized and has relevant content that is sure to entice customers to buy your products. Proper use of text and images can be instrumental in this regard. Make sure that the information posted on your site is well written and succinct. Avoid using text that is too long and has spelling mistakes. 2. Your website design should be friendly to all browsers. The content should be rendered correctly across all browsers like Firefox, i.e., Safari and Chrome. Avoid using scripts that are non-standard and can't be read by all web browsers. Instead of using them, justify your content with alt text and use HTML to make your content render properly on the web. 3. The website should be SEO friendly. Your website design should be SEO friendly and should deliver the desired content to your website visitors. Create a database of keywords that you want to appear on your site content to boost your site's SEO ranking. If you have keywords that can't be achieved with the use of the Google Keyword plugin, don't use them. Instead, try using the remaining keywords with the use of the alt tag. 4. Your website design should contain valuable information. Your website design should be well organized and navigable with the use of the breadcrumb trail. Add the related articles option to your website to make it useful for your customers. Use the SEO comments on your site to answer the queries of your customers. 5. A well-presented website should look good. Make sure that your website design can look good. Use visual appeal to highlight the benefits of the products on your site. Provide high-resolution images, so that customers can enlarge them to better view the content on your website. All these tips are helpful in providing customers with the information that they need to buy your products. By following them, you'll be able to provide more customers with the information that they need to buy your product. Subscribe to our newsletter and get valuable information for your online business at sekaibusiness.com.